So peeps, oh peep, oh it's okay. So I am here sitting on the bank of river. It's only me here and few people who are collecting, who are catching fish or fishing. I am against those things. It's okay. Okay. So I am vlogging here, and there's temple, and there's my. I'm facing my sunset. The sun has set. The clouds are golden clouds, and the moon, and clouds are have turned golden because of sun rays, and I'm feeling good. Actually, I'm feeling great. Like there are fishes, few little tiny. I should script these videos. Like I shouldn't just randomly vlog things and talk anything. I won't call my talk nonsense, but I should have some topic to talk about. Anyways, I'm looking cute, good. I have few pimples. Anyways, let's move on. And my phone storage have been full. And where is this accent coming from? Okay, so bye for today. Bye bye River. Bye bye Shuji. I will come again and again. Bye.